And in this video, I want to talk about view modifiers. So we've been creating a lot of view modifiers if you've been following along. And you must have noticed that we have created a lot of them, but never talked about what's the practical use of it. So in this video, I want to take a moment and basically explain how you can actually use these. Now, most of you must be wondering if you want to create these only for specific scenarios, but I can tell you one thing that you can even create these view modifiers for simplest of reasons. For example, if you have your own custom fonts or you have your own color theme, you might as well create a custom view modifier for that. The benefit you're gonna get out of that is basically the consistency and the availability that the view modifier is gonna give you throughout your app, and then you can go ahead and use that everywhere you want to use, like anywhere and everywhere you want to use it. So let's go ahead and take a look at example, what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna create this custom view modifier that's gonna be applied on the image, and it's gonna give it a corner radius and basically some shadow. And it's going to be as simple as that, and reason we want to do it because we want to actually generalize that behavior and then be able to apply it anywhere within the app if you want to apply it. So okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and get started. I don't need preview, so I'm going to just remove that, and I'm just going to create my struct here, my image modifier. I'm going to call this one, and this is going to be a view modifier, and view modifier has content which has access to the content that you're applying view modifier on. So if you apply it on body, the entire body is going to be your content. If you apply on text, the text is going to be your content. So anything that actually the view modifier is applied on is supplied to us as content. So you take that and you say, I want to put a corner radius on it, a simple overload. Okay, so corner radius, that takes a radius, and I want to give it 20 points, give some padding, and shadow. Okay, and then we simply go ahead and come here and basically use it. So I'm going to put a VStack image. I have image 1 in my assets, so I'm going to use that, make it resizable, make it scale to fit, and apply my modifier as my image modifier. Now, as we have already seen, you can simply extend the view to basically add it as a custom modifier, look the way you want to. And what am I missing here? Okay, so I don't need to provide this, and that's where, okay, so I was using one of my custom modifiers, so that's why I said there is something wrong here. Anyways, okay, so there we go. You have your image ready, and you can apply this modifier to any view that you feel like. I just wanted to show you how you can generalize this concept of view modifier, and anything that you're doing, even all these things, you can move them into a view modifier if this is general enough for you. It's just an example, it's not, but it's just an example, so you get the point, how you can basically make it more efficient for you to create a consistent UI behavior by generalizing content inside view modifier. All right, that's it for this video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.